Hi, there are some situations that would make us do something and spend a lot of money in unnecessary things. Do we know that we can sign a document on a soft copy? Suppose you are told to apply for a job online. What would you do? You type your letter on Microsoft Word and then you go and print it out so that you put your signature there. After that, you scan that document, then you print. How much would that cost you? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can endorse an electronic signature on the Microsoft Word. So thank you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Chela from CK Tutorials. So today actually we're going to sign an electronic signature on the soft copy and then be able to send that document without having issues of printing the document out. Tune in and enjoy the lesson. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. In this channel, I take you into some technology courses, some programming courses, and some to make life easier for some people. Just like in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign a document that is online. Maybe that is a soft copy document that you do not need to go and print out that document. You sign it, then you scan it, and then have a soft copy and send it out. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign a document on a soft copy on your computer. And maybe if you are not familiar with your computer, you can also sign on your phone and then be able to import it on your computer. I'll show you all those kind of stages. So on your computer, you have this part. I'm using Microsoft 2019. It has got this part that has got these tools, draw. So you can use any of these to sign your signature. However, this might not be so good for someone who is because working with a mouse, sometimes it is a little bit difficult to sign a document with the mouse. So in this case, I'm going to show you how you can sign this document using a mouse, but I will show you again how you can sign using a pen, using your phone, and then import that document to your computer. So I think that is too big. Let me just get a small one, small dot like that. I think that is okay. So I can sign my document from here. I'm using just a mouse, and this is in the Microsoft Word 2019. I'm signing my document on a computer. So that can be done. If you're okay, you can manage to do that. It's quite okay. It's good. You can do that. That's how you can sign your document. You can sign your document this way. Have you seen? I've signed my document on Microsoft Word. However, if you're having it difficult to sign your document like this, I'm going to show you how you can sign it on your phone and then be able to import it on your phone, on your laptop. So before I go to the phone, I want to tell you to show you that every Microsoft, the Microsoft that we have has got OneNote. It has got OneNote. You must have OneNote there. So if you can just type OneNote on your computer, you'll be able to see OneNote coming. Search for OneNote on your computer. You can pin it to the taskbar. You have it there. So ensure that your OneNote on the computer is registered with your email address. You are registered with them. So just if you haven't registered OneNote, you can go on and register on your phone, as well as on your computer. So I'm running Windows 10. So this OneNote for Windows 10. If you do not have any, you can even download it on the internet. It's there. So I'm going to jump into my phone and sign a document on the phone. Then I'll be able to show you how you can import that document from the phone to your laptop or to your computer or to your document, so that you send your document on there. That is on the phone, on the computer. So here now I'm on the phone. I'm going to record. I'll show you how you can do this. On my phone, I've already downloaded OneNote, but I'm going to show you step by step on how you can download OneNote before I even show you how to sign on OneNote. So I'm going to Play Store. Play Store. Here I am. On Play Store, I'll type search for OneNote. OneNote app for Android. I'm using an Android phone. Then you have OneNote, and that is there. So since it's already installed in my computer on my phone, so I'll go ahead and open it. So you can install from there. So I'm opening OneNote. I'm in OneNote right now. Excuse me. Okay, from here, I'm able to sign my documents. I'll go on notebooks. I'll click on those, and then I'll go on Chela's notebooks. Remember, you need also to sign here. Also, you need to ensure that you get an account that is same even on your computer. The same account that you have used on your computer, you should use even on your PC, so that whatever that you sign here should be able to reflect on your computer. So I'll go on Chela's notebook. From there, I'll click Quick Notes. Then I'll click Add. I'll add the title here. I'll say sign. That's my title. And I can go ahead and sign my signature from here. So if you see on top here, there's a pen tool. I can click on this pen and then select my pen from there. I can choose the color of the pen that I want. So I'll go on blue, since I'll be like I'm signing with a blue pen. I'll leave it with blue like that. Then after that, I can sign in with my hand on the phone like this. Well, my signature is signed. If I've made any mistake, I can move that like that. I can get rid of that. Okay, I want to do some additions or whatever that I want to, I can edit and do everything. But I think my signature is just okay like this. I've signed the signature. After I am done signing my signature, I'll just save it. Maybe I'll just even go back there. It's already saved automatically. Here's it and signed. So it is saved automatically. So having signed there, we'll go back to the computer and be able to see that document on the computer, on OneNote computer. We're able to find that document there. We can open it and then we'll be able to see the document there. Let's jump back to the computer and check the document that we have just signed on the phone from the computer. We are back on the computer. We need to paste our document here. So we need to have a signature here. So I'm going back to OneNote. Let me search for OneNote here. Going back to OneNote on my computer, search for OneNote. There it is. I'll open this OneNote. I look for the signature that I signed from the computer. So this is the signature that I signed from the computer. You can see it. I remember I saved it as signed. So this is the document that I signed from this computer, from the laptop, from the phone. I have it on my PC. I'm able to have this because I named this. I have the same account that I'm using on the phone and on the PC. So I'll simply cut this document. I'll cut my signature, not really document. I'll cut my signature. I'll go to Microsoft Word and paste it in Microsoft Word. Okay, so if this document looks big, I can resize this document according to any size of my choice. So you can see I'm able to resize it. So it is able to fit. I have all the ways able to fit on one screen. So I can increase the length of it like this. Can do that. Resize it again. Okay, so this is the document that I've signed. Can make it so I have signed my document. You can now send this document to whosoever that requested that you may sign the document for them. I can send to them. I'm done signing the document. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This is Chela from CK Tutorials. See you in the next video.